Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin with power and clean state. That avoids hidden conflicts. First, charge both ear cups above 50% so the firmware can run reliably. Next, remove any saved Beats Fit Pro entries from your phone, tablet, or laptop. This prevents automatic reconnects to wrong devices. Once done, place both ear cups in the case and open the lid to trigger pairing mode. The LED and chime confirm readiness. These steps set a predictable starting point so the device can advertise itself properly. Now you perform the actual discovery and link. On your phone or computer, enable Bluetooth and make the device visible. This allows the Beats to appear in the scan. Open Bluetooth settings and choose Beats Fit Pro when it appears. You should hear a chime and see the LED change. Those are confirmations. If a PIN prompt appears, accept or enter the default 0000. Modern devices usually pair without a PIN. Make sure to hold the case open until the connection completes to sync left and right ear cups. Finish by verifying the stereo link and controls work. You should play audio and check left/right balance in system sound settings to confirm both ear cups output correctly. If functions seem off, open the Beats app and update the firmware. Firmware often resolves skip, latency, or mic issues. If pairing still fails, reset the buds by holding the case button or power buttons for 15 seconds, then repeat discovery. This clears pairing memory. One troubleshooting tip: toggling Bluetooth off and on your host device often clears
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.